of War E-Day, fix PC crashing after latest update. Update your GPU driver. NVIDIA 610.74 or newer, AMD 2671 or newer, Intel 1018864 or newer. Restart Windows after updating. Install the game on an SSD. The beta requires an SSD. If the game is installed on an HDD, reinstall it to an SSD. Verify game files. Steam library, Gears of War E-Day, properties. Select installed files, verify integrity of game files. Disable overlays. Disable Discord overlay. Disable GeForce NVIDIA overlay. Disable older OBS versions or other capture overlays. Restart the game. Lower graphics settings. Temporarily reduce graphics quality. Disable demanding features such as ray tracing. Test several matches after applying the changes. Clear shader cache. Press Win-R. Type clean MGR and press Enter. Select the Windows drive. Check DirectX Shader Cache. Delete the cache and restart Windows. Verify Windows gaming services. If you're using the Xbox app Game Pass version, run the gaming services repair tool. Restart the PC afterward. Remove GPU overclocking. Return GPU settings to default. Disable undervolting and custom overclock profiles. Restart Windows. Try a different GPU driver. If crashes began immediately after an AMD driver update, test a known stable driver version rather than assuming the newest driver is best. Some Reddit users reported shader/startup crashes with AMD 26.71. Report persistent crashes. The PC community thread asks players to submit crashes directly to the coalition with their PC specifications and crash information. Persistent crashes may require a game-side fix.